Hi guys, it's Violette, Estée Lauder Global Beauty Director, and today I'm really excited because we are with Nicole, who is a breast cancer survivor.
Yes, I just celebrated 6 years cancer-free.
Congratulations, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you for being with us today. You want to feel fabulous to show how you can have a happy outcome out of this. I'm gonna start with this eyeshadow palette, and so with this one you can use it as an eyeshadow but also as a highlighter. You see the bone right here, and I'm adding it here, and when you move you start to see this. We're gonna do in the inner corner of the eyes. For this maybe we can use a little brush so it's easier. So right now Nicole has foundation and a little bit of eyebrows, but that's it. So that's why we're going straight to highlighter. So now we did the highlighter. Next step is blush. So this for me is easy. It's just you smile and you apply it on the apple of your cheeks. So I'm sure this you know how to do. It's easier to add than to remove, so it's better to not put too much. Okay, so now we're done with the complexion. We're gonna do the eyes. So this is kind of the key to have a beautiful smoky eyes, because you want, the smoky eye for me is a look that's gonna give you strength and spice in your eyes, you know? And that's gonna be, to me, located in the lash line, where it's closer from the iris, you know? So it gives more intention to your look.
Do you ever use the device on the back of the pen?
No, I'm always doing things with my hands. So another thing I like to do is to use a second eye pencil with a different tone to create a smoky eye. So burgundy, so it is gonna contour your eyes almost and structure the smoky eye, and then this color is gonna be there just as a touch of fun. Exactly. So I use this brush for the highlighter, which is actually gonna be great for the blending of this pencil because it's gonna have a little bit of sparkle. So again, I'm gonna color the eyelid doing my one-way technique, following the shape of the first pencil we put on, and then after I'm gonna blend really well. So you can go halfway with the pencil, and then after you blend it more up. Okay, so now the last step of your eyes, mascara, bottom and top. So always make sure to have a lot on the roots. So now we're done with your fabulous eyes and we can do lips. So usually when I do strong eyes like this, I prefer to keep it very simple. So that's why I like this pink from the collection, Powerful, because it's a shade that will bring a bit of color to your overall complexion and your look without necessarily looking like you having pink lipstick. So the way of applying it so you have this color without too much texture, it's just to kind of I don't know if you feel it, but instead of coloring my lips, I will just do this sort of little dance. Draw a little bit more on the cupid's bow to define the lips a bit more. Voila, that's it.
Great. I love it. There's nothing like a fresh new look to help you take on the world.
Right?
That's amazing. I know as a young breast cancer survivor, the power of research. My family has had a lot of breast cancer. My mom was diagnosed at 42. My grandmother passed away of breast cancer when my mom was only 4. My mom's younger sister died of breast cancer, and I've seen through the history what a difference research can make, and I feel like I'm alive and healthy and thriving with my new look, all because of the power of research. So I think this is an amazing, amazing product, and I think it's going to do a lot of good.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye guys.